Welcome back. Um, Next thing I need to do is to put a border radius. I put a border radius of 10 ps. Okay. Let me can see the edges. So let me just quickly do something. I want if I place my cursor, it will be going up. And what will I do? I will do dot card on hover. I will say transform transform translate y. I will do minus 10 ps. So if I place my cursor, you see it going up. Yeah. So next thing I will do now is I need to change each of these pictures here. I need to change each of these pictures. So remember there's one we put card. So I will remove this from here and in I will put it inside one. Dot card one. I will place it so the first image will pick it. Under the HTML, we have different cards. We have card. Okay, it's an ID. So since it's an ID, so because it's an ID, so I will use hash here. So the first image will pick it. So I will duplicate this into 4 and I will change the images. 1, 2, 3. I think it's 4 now. Yeah. So I will just go here. I will say 2. And I will come here. I will remove this image. I will take image number 2. So I think that's the same. I will take image number 3. I will come here. I will remove this. I will take image number 4. Okay, I will come here. I will remove this. I will take image number 1. Okay, so I'll just change this 1, 2, 3, and I will remove this one and I'll call it 4. Okay, so you see it's 4 images and now here anytime you click on it, it will go up. So last thing we need to do here is to change the font of this text you are seeing here. We need to change them. So I will now do dot card h5, which is for the header, and we'll simply do text align. We'll do center. Next thing we'll do there is we'll put a color. Let's give it a color like blue. Next thing we'll do is we'll give it a font size of 20 ps. Next thing we need to do here is we put text overflow. We say none. Okay. Sorry, text overflow. Let's do 12 ps. Then finally we say the font weight. Let's make the font weight to be bold. Then you can see it's big. I will go back and I will do for the dot card with paragraph, and I will simply do trans. So I will do margin. Margin here. I will put 15 ps and 0. Then finally I will do color. I will just give it one color like that. Let me put, I don't know, is this Alpha software? Okay. Let's check the color. If it will be okay, it's not okay as far as I'm concerned. Let's use this. Okay, so we'll just stop here.